If you use Cursor AI and want to change how it thinks through tasks, this quick tutorial is for you. In this video, I'll show you how to switch between quick and deep analysis in Cursor AI in just a few simple steps. This is useful whether you want faster responses for everyday work or deeper reasoning for more complex coding tasks. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more Cursor AI tutorials and productivity tips. Let's jump right in. First, open Cursor AI on your computer and make sure you're signed in. Once you're inside the app, look toward the top or side area where the settings gear icon appears. Click that gear icon to open Cursor settings. This is where Cursor keeps many of its behavior and agent options, so it's the right place to adjust the analysis style. Inside the settings panel, look for the section called Agent. Under that, you should see Agent Review. This area controls how Cursor handles its default approach when reviewing or responding to your requests. Now find the option labeled Default Approach. This is the setting that determines whether Cursor uses quick analysis or deep analysis by default. To switch the mode, click the drop-down next to Default Approach. If you want faster, lighter responses, choose Quick. If you want Cursor to spend more time reasoning through the problem, choose Deep. The difference is important because Quick is better for speed and simple tasks, while Deep is better for more detailed code analysis, debugging, and complex decisions. After selecting the option you want, Cursor should save the change automatically, but it's always a good idea to confirm the setting is still selected before you leave the menu. Once that's done, close the settings panel and go back to your work. From here on, Cursor will use the analysis mode you selected for future interactions. If you're not sure which one to use, here's a simple rule. Use Quick when you want a fast answer and you already understand the task. Use Deep when the problem is more advanced, when you're asking Cursor to analyze code carefully, or when you want a more thoughtful response with extra detail. Many users switch between the two depending on the job, so you can always come back later and change it again. And that's it. You now know how to change between quick and deep analysis in Cursor AI by going into Settings, finding Agent Review, and updating the default approach. It only takes a moment, but it can make a big difference in how Cursor works for your workflow. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Cursor AI guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.